Yo, what's up guys? This is 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗖𝗛 and today we race to 100 million numbers. So, which of the three programs is faster? The Python one, the C++ one, or the C one? So, for the C and C++ files I have made this make file for compilation. And okay, let's see. Which of the three will find all primes from 1 to 100 million faster? And let the race begin.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
And finally Python finished the race. So, which one did you guess it was faster? Leave a comment. So, see you guys on the next video. Bye.